Just want to show everybody how nasty budgies can be. I've just found this chick on cage 4. There's 2 other chicks and all. This one were in corner, and I just went out to the bin and I heard this squawking and I thought, oh God. Went in shed, followed the squawking, and I found this poor little thing. It looks like I'm going to have to put it out of its misery, because it looks like Mum's ripped its entire cere off and all I can see is some beak. Jesus. No way that can be fixed. Poor little bugger. If I start cleaning that seed off its head to see the damage, it's just going to be an agony, isn't it? It's got no cere at all. Poor little sod. You can see its beak there, look. There's no nose. I'm gonna kindly put it out of its misery right now. I don't want it to suffer. So, you know, budgie breeding is not always fun when you see things like this. Terrible. No way on earth that could have been saved. It is not cruel to do what I've done. There's no way that could have eaten any food or been fed. The mum has blood all over her beak. She has ripped off the entire cere and started hollowing out the head. So I had to put this baby out of its misery. So sad.